Palantir stock here looks really good. From our previous video here, we're already up a ton, right? Previously, we had Palantir here right around $100 and now currently at $110. I did mention so many times in our previous videos between $65 and $80. That's where I would look to add a bigger position into Palantir. Between 80 and 97, I also wouldn't mind adding a small position at a time for Palantir stock. Now that we are well above $97, I would just be careful adding at these levels. And again, if you're a long-term investor, by all means, do what you got to do. But personally, I wouldn't want to be adding while it's above the middle Bollinger Band. The better dip opportunity on the daily chart is to be adding while it's below the middle Bollinger Band. And now that we are even above the upper Bollinger Band, meaning just caution on any potential sell-off at some point. And if you are looking to go long-term, right, by all means, do what you got to do. Do what you think is best for you. But in my personal opinion, a better entry for Palantir would be below $97 at this point. We are well above the upper Bollinger Band, and I am still keeping an eye out for 125. You can see here my prediction here is to 125. I do believe 125 is going to be tested pretty soon here. And again, the reason why I personally wouldn't want to be adding is because, again, why chase the stock up, right? I would be looking to add when there's a lot of fear and no hope left, and that better entry is down here. And again, do what you got to do and do what you think is best for you, but personally, I would be preferred to be adding into Palantir between 80 and 97. Now that we are up at 110, has my opinion changed, right? Slightly, actually. So I don't think we are going to see 65 to 80 anymore. I think 80 to 97 is a possibility. Between 80 and 97, that's where I'll look to add a bigger position now into Palantir. And while we are below 110, between 97 and 110, that's where I would look to add a smaller position at a time for Palantir. Between 110 and 125, I sure as heck would not want to be adding into Palantir. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not looking to buy now and then potentially ride up to 125. I would rather, again, like I said, add between 97 and 110, then look to ride up to 125. I have cash on the side as well, just in case Palantir does dip down to 97 to 80. That's where I would look to add a bigger position into Palantir. Now, what I'm saying is in a perspective of not having a position yet, right? So if you don't have a position yet for Palantir, that's personally what I would be doing, adding small positions at a time while it's below 110 and adding a bigger position while it's below 97. Eventually, we are looking for 125 to be tested, and I do have within 2025 my price target here of 141 and 165. From our current prices here to 125, that's a 15% move. To about 141, that is going to be a 28% move. And then to 165, that's going to be right around a 50% move to the top side. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for Palantir stock. Are you long-term on it? Are you adding right now? What are your thoughts on the current price here for Palantir? And let us know what your average is as well. If you don't have a community yet for Palantir, join our Discord. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for Palantir. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, join our Patreon as we currently have a 90% off permanent discount promotion going on. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next Palantir video.